Hello, and welcome to today's family program. I'm Dr. Kitcher, and it's always a joy to come to you. Today, we are going to look at something very important. But before that, I want to really welcome everyone, especially those who are here for the first time to this program. And for those who are been coming and always, with us, you know that our programs are built one on the other. So I always encourage you to watch the previous programs in order to, catch up with what we're doing. And also spend the next minute to invite a friend to join and watch together with you. Please like and also share the link with friends so that they can also benefit from what we have here. Well, today we have, like always, something very, very important and very timely for you. We are going to look at things that you must know, things that you must know. We have so much, and sometimes we don't even know not just the value of things, but we don't actually use things, to the advantage of, ourselves and to community and to make this world a better place. Have you ever thought of character? Character. Character is what, somebody possesses and maybe brings out, and it comes out because it's been part of the person's life. Somebody will say, this person is proud. He has that kind of character. He's arrogant. Character is more important than gift. Listen, know that character is more important than gift. Many people have so much, gifts and great gifts, but because of their character, their gift cannot take them to any higher level. Can you imagine someone who is, let's say, a very good musician, but he does not have discipline? So although he can play well, when he's called upon to play maybe at 6 a.m., he was, oh, it's too early, I can't play, and, just say, I'll come at 9. Character can destroy the progress of what your gift can bring to you. So character is more important than gift. If you have to choose between character and gift, I would say, look, go for character. Because if you have a character of learning and consistent, application of knowledge, you would definitely end up with something, which would benefit you as a good gift. The next thing is that many people do not think about the purpose of things. They think about maybe the program or whatever it is that is supposed to be done. But purpose always precedes the things that we have to do. You ask yourself the question, why? Why? So purpose is more important than the intentions. Purpose is more important than the knockdown effect of what you want to do. Many people say, okay, let's organize, let's say, a meeting to bring people together so that we have so many, around us. If that is the purpose for organizing a meeting, then you have failed. But the purpose should be, let's bring people together, impart some knowledge to them, and encourage them to go live a better life than they were living before they come. Then you are fulfilling life. It is very important. So, hey, remember that purpose is more important than just the accolades that you will get from stuff. Many people are also, concentrated on stuff that has to be done. We have to fill in the gaps. We have to complete this project. But you see, principles are more important than programs. Principles are more important than programs. Always ask yourself, what is the principle behind this? Why should this thing be that way? Because principles never change, but programs change. So don't prioritize the program over the principles. Many people, because they don't respect principles, they never go by the rules or the steps, and they always looking for a shortcut. When you want to be a true success, you work with principles and not just the program. Don't say we have to get it done and done. I was talking to a group of university students the other day, and I told them most of the times, students will learn so they pass exams. but they do not learn so they can know the material and apply it in their lives. So you see a few weeks before the exams, they intensively, study, fill their brains with the information. They go, they pass the exam, and after 2 weeks, nothing is in the head. And they will not be able to even apply what they learn. But if you consistently use the principle of day by day studying, you inoculate yourself with the knowledge. And when the exam comes, you will revise and then you give it, and it will be a good result. Friends, it is very important to understand principles are more important than just the programs. Also, our heart is more important than our actions. Your heart position is more important than your action. Many people have learned to live a fake life. Many people have learned to be like actors. Many people have learned not to show their true self. So they may smile with you, but then in their heart, they are actually intending to do something really crazy. But you have to be a person whose actions and the position of your heart is the same. It is very, very important for you to understand that we are called not to just, show actions, but we are called to apply, the knowledge that we have, and to be sincere, to be transparent. What you say is what you think, because thoughts are words that are silent, and words are thoughts that are expressed. So don't tell me I love you, and at the end of the day, you stab me at the back. Your heart position is more important than your actions. It is very, very important that you know this. And finally, not all that we have, but in this block that I'm doing, finally, finishing is more important than just getting things done. What I mean is, when you start something, make sure you, from the beginning, you know the end that you want, the destination, and make sure you get to the destination. Finishing is more important than flying away, than escaping. I remember somebody was telling me when we were in university, oh, I can't wait for us to finish this university and get out of all this homework and all that. Then I told him, you know what, when we finish university, that is the day reality sets in. Because now we are actually experimenting, trying, being trained. But when you get yourself as a specialist, then you have to face the world as it is. So we have said character is more important than your gift, that the purpose of a thing is more than just the intentions that you have about it, and also that principles are more important than programs that we do, and our heart position is more important than our actions. And finally, finishing is more important than just getting stuff done. So whatever you do, remember, you have to do it well and do it so that good name will follow you. I'm Dr. Albert Kitcher, and this has been your favorite program, Today's Family, and we'll see you next week. Next week, we have some good things coming your way. So stand by and please share this link with friends and invite others to watch with you. Till I see you next week, I wish you all the best. Bye-bye.